Tired of losing money in financial markets like Forex and crypto? Want to design a simple, effective strategy with just 2 indicators? Look no further. Head to the TradingView, where we'll teach you a free, easy strategy using the MA pullback indicator. Just add it to your chart. Now optimize a few settings and you're good to go. This unique indicator calculates 3 moving averages based on different price points, high, low, and close, and plots them on the chart. It then waits for breakouts and pullbacks before generating buy and sell signals. The best part, you can use this indicator on various charts and time frames. Now that you're familiar with the first indicator, let's dive into enhancing your trading strategy. To boost your chances of profiting in various financial markets, we'll introduce another powerful tool. But before we reveal the secret weapon, we'd like to invite you to support the TradeGenius channel. If you're finding our strategies helpful, please consider liking our videos and subscribing to our channel. This way, more people can benefit from our content and you won't miss any new videos or strategies. Now, the second indicator in our strategy is the RMI Trend Sniper. Let's add it to the chart. Now let's fine-tune its settings. Now that we have a grasp on the strategy, let's dive into the details of steps for entering a long trade, managing risk, and securing rewards. We'll outline these steps in a simple, straightforward manner so you can apply this strategy confidently in your trading journey. Let's begin by identifying a buy signal on the chart. These signals suggest a potential opportunity for a successful long trade. Next, we'll confirm that the market is in an uptrend by checking two conditions. The signal candle must be green and the signal candle's closing price should be above the blue line of the RMI trend sniper indicator. So once we verify the buy signal and the uptrend, we can confidently enter a long trade, anticipating that the price will rise. To protect our trade, we'll set a stop loss, which is a predetermined point at which we'll close the trade if the market moves against us. Use the recent swing low as a reference for placing your stop loss. Finally, we'll determine a target price for closing the trade and taking profits. Aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And when considering a short trade, begin by looking for a sell signal from the RMI trend indicator on the chart. Next, examine the market to confirm a downtrend by ensuring that the signal candle is red and the closing price is below the red line of the RMI trend sniper indicator. Once the sell signal and downtrend are validated, you can confidently enter a short position. And to protect your trade, set a stop loss using either the RMI trend indicator or the recent swing high of the market. And when it's time to closing the trade and secure your profits, aim for a target that's 1.5 times the risk of the trade, ensuring a balanced risk-to-reward ratio. But if you're looking to multiply your trading progress in the market, be sure to watch this video as your next step.